Damaged furniture? Here's how to fix it. First, we need to make a mold of the shape that you need. Usually furniture has at least another corner or whatever that looks just like the one that needs to be fixed. Find that and then put some Vaseline all over it. When we make a mold out of this corner, we really want to be able to get that mold off of the wood, so the Vaseline will make it not stick. Then squeeze a thick layer of hot glue all over the corner. You want to make sure to cover more area than what is broken on the other corner. Then let the glue dry all of the way, and when it's dry, carefully pull it off. And then test your mold on the damaged corner. The stuff we use to fix the damage is pretty potent stuff, so I like to move outside at this point. And then I rub more Vaseline onto the inside of the hot glue mold. Again, we don't want it to stick too well, so be generous with the Vaseline. Then grab some Bondo, grab the hardener that comes with it, and knead it to mix it up. And then grab a piece of cardboard or a scrap piece of wood and scoop some Bondo onto it. Then squeeze some hardener onto that and mix the base and the hardener together. Be prepared to work quickly. This stuff dries within a few minutes once you mix it together. Put a nice glob of Bondo all over the damaged area, pushing it into the damaged area so then it has better adhesion. I like to make sure there's a lot of Bondo on it, so then when I put the hot glue mold onto it, it squeezes out, and I know that it has completely filled in the damaged area. I push the mold down onto the wood around it, so it squishes out the extra Bondo, and then I don't have as much Bondo to sand down. And then I hold the mold there for a couple of minutes while the Bondo starts to harden. Once it feels like it's getting hard, I like to remove the mold so then I can check it out. And look at this. Isn't that so good? Alright, before it gets any harder, I like to scrape off the big blobs of excess Bondo so I don't have to sand it all down. It takes about a half an hour for the Bondo to completely dry, and then you can sand it down. I ended up with a little bit of an air pocket in the Bondo, so I filled it with some wood filler and then I painted it just like I normally do. Look at it now, you cannot even tell that it used to be broken. Not sure what supplies you need for your furniture flip? We got you. Click the link in my comment to download our free list of must-have supplies that we use every day to paint furniture.